Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Mazda key fob. You're going to need one of the 1620 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. Also a small flat tip screwdriver. One around this size is best. So first thing you want to do is there's a notch right here. It's like a little clip. You just want to stick your screwdriver on the bottom side of it and then push up like that. And you can see there's separation there. Once you see the separation, you can go ahead and pull that. Next, you want to take the same screwdriver, and there's a tiny notch right here. Insert your screwdriver and split these two halves apart. Now, take that screwdriver, remove your dead 1620, place your new battery positive side facing downward like that. Now you want to clip these two halves back together just like that, and push these back together. Listen for a little tiny click, just like that. And you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.